Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows SmartScreen cannot be reached right now. Check your internet connection. Windows SmartScreen is unreachable and can't help you decide if this app is okay to run. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First things first, make sure you have an internet connection. If you don't, this tutorial is not for you. You can check out other videos I have about resetting your internet connection. But if you're having a specific issue with this application with Windows SmartScreen and you're still having access to the internet, next thing we're going to do is go ahead and open up the search menu, type in Windows Security. Best match should come back with Windows Security. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select the three lines on the left side that says Open Navigation. Just go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select App and Browser Control. Underneath Reputation-Based Protection, select Reputation-Based Protection Settings. And then you want to make sure Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge is turned on. Check Apps and Files is also turned on here as well. And if you want to enable potential unwanted app blocking, you can set that on as well. So again, just basically making sure everything's on here. This is more optional, but you can definitely feel free to turn that on if it's turned off in your case there. So hopefully this was a pretty straightforward process for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.